Hey guys, today I'm checking out this camera that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really nice unit because as you can see, it has these two lights that we can turn on. They are quite powerful. In any case, that this light that I have up here wouldn't work, I could just have this one on upon the entrance and it will be ready. You can set it up for also a motion detection mode, so that way, in case that someone enters, if you are watching a specific area, it will activate a siren, which I think that it's really nice. The installation process couldn't actually be any kind of easier. It's actually really nice that the instruction manual is actually really easy to follow with all the steps by steps. And I think that this camera is a great option because it's IP65 waterproof and dustproof protection. That way the floodlight camera can withstand any kind of heavy rain, any kind of wind, or any kind of weather situation when you will set it up, which I think that it's really great. Also, the setup from when it's already wired and installed, I think that it's really easy. You can access the application with the instruction manual, and pairing it up, it's actually really simple. It doesn't take that much long. And using the application couldn't be easier, which I think that it's really nice. We can see all the screenshots, all the recordings, videos. We can actually use like a two-way audio so we can communicate, so anyone that is on the other side. We can use the motion detection functions, which I think that it's really nice. You can adjust the sensitivity, and if you want it for a different intervals, which I think that it's really nice. You can also actually activate all the light features, which I think that it's really nice. We can even activate a siren that will be playing. Let's wait a second. It starts playing a siren for over 30 seconds, which I think that it's really nice. I have already paused it. We can actually enter all the light settings, and we can review the history that we have recorded if we installed it a memory card, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's a really great unit. I think that it's really versatile. You can place it whenever you need it, however you want. I think that it's really nice. As I've said, with lights, they are really powerful, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.